Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to expert on finance and investing. Today we're diving into the exciting world of stock market investing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your strategies, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you invest smarter and boost your productivity. So, let's get started. Segment 1. First things first, let's quickly cover what the stock market is. The stock market is where shares of publicly held companies are issued and traded. It's a place that allows you to buy a piece of a company and share in its profits. Understanding this is crucial before diving into investing. Segment 2. Now, let's explore some effective stock market investing strategies that can enhance your productivity as an investor. 1. Buy and hold. The buy and hold strategy is all about patience. You purchase stocks and hold on to them for the long term, regardless of market fluctuations. This strategy capitalizes on the power of compounding returns over time. It's perfect for those who want to invest without constantly monitoring the market. 2. Value investing. Next up is value investing. This strategy involves finding undervalued stocks that are trading for less than their intrinsic value. Investors like Warren Buffett have made fortunes this way by focusing on fundamentals. Look for low P/E ratios and strong earnings reports. 3. Growth investing. If you're looking for higher potential returns, consider growth investing. This involves investing in companies expected to grow at an above-average rate compared to their industry. Research market trends and future earnings potential to identify these gems. 4. Dividend investing. Let's not forget about dividend investing. This strategy focuses on companies that pay regular dividends. Reinvesting these dividends can significantly boost your returns over time, and it provides a steady income stream. 5. Index fund investing. For those who prefer a hands-off approach, index fund investing is a great option. These funds track a specific index, like the S&P 500, allowing for diversification with lower fees. It's a fantastic way to invest without picking individual stocks. 6. Day trading. For the more adventurous, day trading involves buying and selling stocks within a single trading day. It requires a solid understanding of technical analysis and quick decision-making. Remember, this strategy can be risky, so be sure you're prepared. Dear letter reader, who discovered me unintentionally. Now that we've covered strategies, let's talk about risk management. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes to mitigate risk. Additionally, consider setting stop-loss orders to protect your investments from significant downturns. Segment. Research is crucial in stock investing. Utilize financial news, reports, and stock screeners to inform your decisions. Keep an eye on economic indicators like interest rates and unemployment rates, as they can impact the market significantly. The cycle is for investors. You can update the company's tax return for exit to maximize your productivity as an investor. Here are some tips. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your investments. Having clear goals helps keep you focused. Keep a trading journal. Document your trades, decisions, and outcomes. This will help you learn from your experiences and refine your strategies over time. Regular reviews. Set aside time each month to review your portfolio, assess what's working, what isn't, and adjust your strategies accordingly. In conclusion, stock market investing can be incredibly rewarding if approached with the right strategies and mindset. Remember, whether you choose to buy and hold, invest in growth stocks, or dabble in day trading, the key is to stay informed and disciplined. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments which investing strategy you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy investing.